We're already late for lunch. The fun thing is that earlier today I had a podcast and it was about composting fabrics. I feel like these fabrics are not at the end of life where they should be composted. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. It's Saturday in June. So I decided to just start a vlog to spend my day with me. I'm still in Tampa. I currently work remotely, but I'll be moving soon. You can guess where I'm moving to. Please put it down in the comment section if you know where I'm moving to. Check my LinkedIn. But anyways, today I have a podcast recording at the Rosebud Continuum, so I'm heading there right now. I want to see if I could also drop off some of my clothes and shoes at either Goodwill or Salvation Army, but I'm already running late, so I might drop it when I'm coming back. So I have that shoot at Rosebud, then I'll be having lunch with my friends afterwards. So let's just spend this Saturday together post PhD. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding up. Guys, I just finished from Rosebud and we're already late for lunch. Running out.
Don't allow worshippers.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence.
Hello guys, it's raining. I just finished lunch with my friends. It's already evening. Please forgive the sound. It's raining and the thunder. But I'm here at Salvation Army to give out some of my clothes. So the fun thing is that earlier today I had a podcast and it was about composting fabrics. But now I'm here to give my clothes out to Salvation Army, and you might be like, oh, why are you not composting your fabrics? It's because personally I feel like these fabrics are not at the end of life where they should be composted. The only reason I'm giving them out, first off, I'm moving, I'm not ready to take all of this stuff with me, and most of them are still in very good condition. It's just that I've grown bigger than some and I just don't want to move with the other ones. Like I just don't like the style anymore. I should be more conscious when I buy like clothes afterwards to make sure that it's something I'm wearing all the time, rather than just like something I can like stop liking. But like if I was in Nigeria, I probably would give it to like my junior cousins, but now, and if some of my friends were around, I'd probably give them, but most of them are not around. Like for example, the shoes I wore for my graduation is inside this bag to begin with, so it's literally new, brand new. But why am I giving it out? It was painful on my legs. Like I'm really bad with wearing heels and all, and I know if I carry it I'll not wear it. So why not just give it to people that might give it to low income people or resell it? So that's why I'm here. I have like 2 full bags. That's one of them, and so I want to go and find out the process. So yeah. So guys, I'm back home. I know I'm going for lunch, but I'm hungry. Not hungry right now, but I'm hungry in the future. So I'm just wondering what I'll eat for dinner because I've been out all day. I've not cooked. So I'm thinking if I should buy something else for dinner because I'll probably just cook tomorrow. So just thinking of what I can buy today anyways. But yeah, if I don't buy anything, goodbye guys. It was nice spending the day with you. I'll see you in my next vlog, or maybe I'll just show you what I eat later. Bye.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I ended up buying oxtail, a pound of oxtail brown stew from a Jamaican restaurant. I'm just going to eat it with rice. Probably not finish it, just eat some with I have rice at home, so yeah. So I'm thinking of extending this vlog to tomorrow, so it'll just be a weekend because I feel it's too short today. So not like I have anything tomorrow, but I'll go to church, I'll cook, and I think I'm going out with a friend later in the night, but I'm not sure. Yeah, good night.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head.
I wonder if you think about me now.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday and at church 6 minutes late, so I need to quickly run. Bye.
2 hours later.
Hello guys, so I just finished church. I have a lot of things to do today. Like I have to go to the Goodwill or Salvation Army to drop my clothes, but also cook, buy fuel. Right now I'm hungry, and so before I start doing all those back and forth, I want to go and eat because I know I bought that stuff yesterday. I still have it. I want to go and eat the oxtail rice and also publish a video that I was meant to publish yesterday on my YouTube. I was so tired I slept off, so publish that. Then I'll now go out to do all of my errands. Yeah, so that's the plan. Now I just want to go run my errands. I'm really tired, but this is Sunday evening. I really need to have food so that my week will go smoothly. So going to try to give those clothes out and get food stuff to cook and sleep so that I'll be ready for work tomorrow and just have food through the week. I know that I talked about the fact that I was meant to have dinner with my friend, but I'm going to just cancel. When he calls me, I don't even know if he will want to go again because he went somewhere. But if he calls me to tell me that he's ready, I'll just postpone to next weekend because I'm too tired and I've not cooked. Bye. Here to get fuel. So guys, I made it to Goodwill. Hopefully they collect my donation.
I spray, give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me.
I'm done cooking some of the turkey. Like this, not all of the turkey. Some I've put inside the fridge. It's still on. I'm waiting for it to just dry up a little bit. Yeah, I'm tired. I wanted to make tomato sauce like stew to put the turkey in, but I'm so tired. I'll make that during the week. I also have like pomode I want to put in the pepper sauce. Yeah, I'll just eat this for today, and maybe tomorrow evening I can just quickly make my pepper sauce. But anyway, thank you for spending the weekend with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.